Hello dear students, myself Dr. V.R. Dangar, MBM Science and Home Science College, Rajkot. As last episode we learned about preparation of aryl halide. Now today we discuss about aromatic nucleophilic substitution in aryl halides. Aryl halides are chemically less reactive than alkyl halides. Some following are some reasons for low reactivity of aryl halides. Difference in hybridization state of carbon in CX bond. This is alkyl halide where carbon contain sp3 hybridized sp3 hybrid carbon. So less S character. In aryl halide carbon carry sp2 hybridization, so this carbon is sp2 hybrid carbon, so more S character. In aryl halide carbon atom of CX bond is sp2 hybridized, while in alkyl halide the carbon atom attached to halogen in sp hybridized. The sp hybridized carbon atom with more S character is more electronegative. It can hold the electron pair of bond more tightly than sp hybridized carbon atom of alkyl halide with less S character. Thus CX bond in aryl halides is shorter than in alkyl halides. Second is resonance effect. In aryl halides, the electron pairs on the halogen atom are in conjugation with pi electrons of the aromatic ring and gives following resonance structures as possible 1 to 5. As a result, the bond cleavage in aryl halides is difficult than alkyl halides. Thus, aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. These are all resonance structure of chlorobenzenes. Here Cl atom, 3 lone pair electrons are, chlorine atom also negative charge carry more than this carbon. So when Cl atom, 1 lone pair is donated to this carbon, it will create a double bond, this C and Cl bond. So these resonance structures are observed, and these resonance structures are observed due to resonance pictures. CX bond in aryl halides have more double bond character than CX bond in alkyl halide. Also, we can see the mechanism and how to electrophile and nucleophile attack on arenes or aromatic rings. Here nucleophilic aromatic substitution, in short form SNAR, nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here electrophilic aromatic substitution and here nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction. SNAR, nucleophilic aromatic substitution. What is mechanism? SNR act as addition and elimination both combined with mechanism. Aryl halides and vinylic halides are relatively unreactive toward nucleophilic substitution reaction under conditions that give facile nucleophilic substitution with alkyl halide. What is reason? The reason is phenyl cations are very unstable. Halogen bonds of aryl and vinyl halides are shorter and stronger than those of alkyl and allyl and benzylic halides because of the hybridized state in the resonance. But aryl halides can be remarkably reactive towards nucleophiles if they bear or contain certain substituents or when we allow them to react under the proper conditions. Here, SNAR mechanism and involves a resonance stabilized anionic intermediate called the Mason-Hammer complex. Here, for example, para-nitrochlorobenzene which react with NaOH in presence of H2O, it will give para-nitrophenol. We write this simple reaction, but how it is possible? In step 1, first of all, we discuss about SNR mechanism. First, addition. So here this para-nitrochlorobenzene when react with NaOH, here hydroxyl group is act as nucleophile. This nucleophile attacks on this ipso carbon. Ipso carbon means which carbon which attach to aryl halide or halogen group. So this first carbon is also known as ipso carbon. So this nucleophile attack on this ipso carbon. Here Cl is more negative charge than or electronegative than this carbon. So these are resonance structures are possible when this nucleophile attack on this carbon. So here these carbons carry more electron density here more. So suddenly these are other resonance are generated. So here these are first in addition of nucleophile, these 4 are resonance structures are observed, and these are all structures are called Mason-Hammer complex. In step 2, elimination. Elimination means removed this halide group. When removed and OH enters, so these addition elimination reactions are occurring at this stage. So how this halide group act as leaving group in elimination reaction? This halide groups, when halide ion is leaved from this carbon and OH here comes already here he come is, so it will addition elimination mechanism. Another reason for the less reactive of aryl halides in nucleophilic substitution reaction is that the aromatic ring is center of high electron density due to pi electrons. Therefore, a nucleophile is discouraged from attacking the ring carbon bearing halogen. In light of above facts, nucleophilic substitution of the halogen of aryl halide occurs under drastic conditions or by the presence of electron withdrawing groups on the aromatic ring. Under drastic conditions, following 4 reactions are discussed below. In aryl halides, halogen can be replaced by here OH, NH2 or cyanide, which appropriate nucleophilic reagent at high temperature and pressure. So here first reaction is when chlorobenzene is react with NaOH in presence of high temperature 350 degrees Celsius and 300 atmosphere pressure here. So this chlorobenzene is converted into this phenol group, and NaCl will be byproduct we can get here. So when chlorobenzene is react with sodium hydroxide to give phenol. Here these are drastic conditions, and these are another reaction when chlorobenzene react with 2 mole of ammonia in the presence of 250 degree temperature and 50 atmosphere pressure here. So conversion of this chlorobenzene into aniline and ammonium chloride byproduct, we will resultant product with this aniline to get. And also when we get if we want to produce cyanobenzene, so first off we will take this bromobenzene when treated with this copper cyanide in presence of 250 Celsius temperature in the presence of here catalyst pyridine. So bromobenzene converted to cyanobenzene and CuBr, copper bromide, cuprous bromide here byproduct is formed. The substitution of halogen atom take place rapidly if electro withdrawing groups are present on the ring at ortho and para position. Therefore, para-nitrochlorobenzene react readily with alkali to obtain para-nitrophenol. Here para-nitrochlorobenzenes, here nitro group is electro withdrawing group. So in presence of 15% sodium hydroxide and 160 Celsius temperature, so this electro withdrawing group, this Cl is easily removed and OH is enter here this carbon. So para-nitrophenol is easily observed by this drastic condition. Another reaction of electro withdrawing group, here 2,4-di nitrochlorobenzene, here 2NO2. So here more nitro group. So in aqueous sodium carbonate 130 degree Celsius, so it is also easily conversion of this 2,4-dinitrophenol. In last in 2,4,6-trinitrochlorobenzene, chlorine atom is replaced with a dilute base at low temperature 35 degree Celsius. So here also 2,4-dichlorobenzene with ammonia to 2,4-dinitroaniline, and here 2,4,6-trinitrochlorobenzene to conversion of 2,4,6-dinitrophenol or picric acid. Now let's come on the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Aryl halide gives electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions through readily then benzene in ortho and para position. First reaction is nitration of chlorobenzene. Nitration of chlorobenzene, we will get two products, orthonitro and para-nitrochlorobenzene. Aryl halides are themselves reactive toward ES, means electrophilic aromatic substitution, but they are less reactive than benzene. This is because of halides are weak deactivators. Halides direct subsequent reactions ortho and para. This makes them a little unusual activator or unusually ortho para directing. Deactivators are as meta directing. The weak deactivation is due to electronegativity of halogen, making the intermediate cations less stable. than those produced when benzene undergoes substitution. Here, nitration of chlorobenzene, ortho and para-nitrochlorobenzene. This mixture, this ortho nitrochlorobenzene product yield is 35% and para yield is 64%. Here, nitration in the presence of HNO3 and H2SO4, nitronium ion are generated. These nitronium ion are attack on electron reach these two centers, and OP directors are here this Cl atom to produce the mixture of ortho and para nitrochlorobenzene. In second electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, here chlorobenzene, when chlorination of chlorobenzene, the OP director here Cl and orthochloro and parachloro are produced here, or resultant product here mixture of dihalide. So here Cl plus 1 is as electrophile, and we will get this product. Now in sulfonation, here the third method is sulfonation of chlorobenzene. We will get to this main product 2-chlorobenzene or orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. And last one, this electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is alkylation. Alkylation of aryl halide. Two main products are yielded here. So here 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene or orthochlorotoluene.